The Ford F-150 isn't just America's favorite truck. It's been the best-selling vehicle for over 40 years straight. But why? Let's find out. From its massive grille and bold LED headlights to an interior that feels more like a luxury SUV, the F-150 proves that tough doesn't have to mean basic. You get a 12-inch touchscreen, cold flat work surfaces, even massaging seats. Yes, a truck that gives back rubs. Under the hood, you've got options: V6, V8, diesel, or even a 430 horsepower hybrid. Need to tow? It can pull up to 14,000 pounds. Need off-road cred? The F-150 Raptor is practically a Baja race truck you can drive to the grocery store. And get this, the F-150 can power your entire campsite or job site with Pro Power on board.